Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. In this video we're doing Domiso Hair. This is 100% human hair, and in the box you get the hair itself, a pair of lashes, and 2 HD wig caps. I got this wig in a deep wave texture and it is 14 inches. This wig is a 4x4 closure. It is pre-cut lace, but the knots are not bleached. But since the knots are so small, you might get away with not having to bleach them if you're a true beginner. So now let's get into the wig construction. You get the 4x4 closure. This wig comes with the glueless band and no combs or adjustable straps. It is truly glueless. So now I'm going to show you how I prep the wig. I use Clairol's BW2 bleaching powder along with the Clairol Pure White 40 developer. I just use a plastic spoon and a bowl, and I'm going to show you exactly how I mix for my 4x4s. I take 1 full cup of the powder and I take half a cup of developer and I mix it together until it forms a nice thick paste. So I'm just spreading this all over the inside of the closure. I was having a little bit of a hard time. I'm so used to holding on to the lace. Since this is pre-cut lace, the lace is not there. So I had to just hold it the best I could. But yeah, make sure you're spreading that evenly. Make sure that you're covering it thoroughly, pushing a little, but not too much. Since this is a throw on and go type of wig, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to throw on a wig cap. I'm not going to do a ball cap method or anything like that. I'm going to cover the section I know is going to show through my lace with my cream foundation. This hair was super lightweight and bouncy after I washed and conditioned it and let it air dry. The texture and everything was just so on point. So now I'm just taking my lace spray. I'm going to hit it a few times to get it the right shade and get the lace nice and tinted. So the edge of the lace was still a little bit light, so I just took my brush that I used for my wig cap and put a little bit more cream contour shade on there and blended it out. And it completely disappeared. So now we're just going to get it together. I'm taking my hot comb just to start to get it to form and shape the way I need it to. I don't want it to be too puffy up in the top. I want that to be more sleek, so I'm using my hot comb to achieve that look. So since we've installed it and been fussing around with it, I just want to make sure that the curl pattern is exactly the way it needs to be and everything is all uniformed. So I'm just taking water only, no product, and my brush and just brushing through it, making sure everything is all the same. The style that I ended up going with involved me like showing the sides of my hair, which we all know this is a closure wig, so it doesn't have like the 13x4 effect. So I just kind of took out some of my own edges and kind of blended it out and made it messy so that I could wear it that way. I thought it'd be cute to kind of pull it back and have it messy, kind of like a romantic, cute 90s moment. So that's what I did. If you just feel comfortable wearing it down, of course you can do that, but you can kind of play around with this wig. It's not like a one-trick pony, you know? So I just kind of want to show that you can play around with these wigs and do some things, even if you only have a 4x4. As you can see, everything in the back is nice and covered. I want to give you guys my final thoughts really quickly. This hair was everything, super soft, truly glueless, no combs involved. It was actually a great wig to just like put on, slip off, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and until next time, stay sweet.